Okay, so PT Cruiser. We got into here to check why this window motor wasn't working. And this wire just corroded right on through. So we're gonna pop a new motor in. And guess what? They're all 10 millimeter. I don't know how this is holding the glass, but we're not gonna worry about that. All right, so here's the old one. There's the busted wire. Here's the new Dorman. So it does come with a nut there. Comes with the glass grabbers. That's nice. Actually, look at this. This is way nicer. See how that rubber cradles the glass? This is like a two-piece thing. The glass will just get in there and rest on metal. So that's a way better design for this thing. Huh. This is better than the OEM, which, look, we're not saying much, but that's better than the OEM. Motor, wire. Wire is wrapped in some sort of something. I guess I could kind of shrink wrap that, I guess. Looks better though, and it's taped here, so it might be less likely to bust like that one did. See how that just flopped around and busted? So they taped this one up here so it doesn't flop around. Yep, and then the bolt there, so let's get it in this door panel. Okay, only one little problem. I'm gonna turn the keys off. Only one little problem. This little clip, which you can't flip, there's only one way you can have this attached, is upside down. So if you put this in the way they want you to put it in, this wire will be sticking straight up, and when your window goes all the way to the bottom of the track, it puts a bunch of stress on this wire. So you got to put this in all janky style like this. Okay, other than that, pretty skookum, good setup. At the bottom of the track, we still got some slack. Just barely enough slack though. So if this is upside down, which is what this clip wants you to do, this will have a bunch of stress on it and probably end up snapping off. So you gotta put this in the opposite way of the way it's supposed to go. Ugh. All right, here we go. Jeez Louise. All right, here we go. So where this wire twists, it might kind of rub against this thing, but I don't know. I guess that's why it's got this protector around it. Should be fine. It's like magic. I'm glad I spent an extra couple bucks on Dorman. The quality's just better than the alternatives. So, all right.